So all our silks are gonna come in these bags. Aren't they so pretty? What does it feel like?
A very soft microswing. I would love to just sleep on it, stuff it with cotton. Travel pillow.
Morning, y'all. So I was up till 2 last night cleaning the kitchen and just making sure everything was all good before I went to bed. And it's Memorial Day today, and you'd think we had the day off, but I'm a slave driver. I'm making everyone come to work. Well, we have our big silk collection launching tomorrow, so we have a lot of work to do. I'm gonna pretty much just walk you guys through like what it takes to launch a collection, to do this work, and go through everybody's kind of tasks and what they've been in charge of. It'll help you kind of understand a bit more about what everybody does on the team and really what it takes to build a brand, to run a fashion company. Ever since Trump got elected, people keep calling me Melania. I'm like, no, Melanie. They're like, Melanie. Yeah, Melanie. No. Technically the office is closed because it's Memorial Day. Oh my god, it literally is empty. Empty, empty, empty. We have to conference call Noreen because she doesn't come in on Mondays. We have to move our sprint meeting. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah. Are
you guys ready? This thing?
Some nice flares that I remember.
Yeah, I think that was just to make sure it doesn't, yeah. Okay, Ahmed, what has your role been in the silk collection?
What is my role? Nothing. As COO, I overlook everything from what's happening with the website because it's, I think a lot of times we all think of like our product being just our physical product that we sell, but our product in reality is also the website and how users experience it and how they interact with it and whether or not they're finding the things that they want and all these really great things. So anyway, my role in this particular launch has been to actually help redesign our product pages, redesign our collection page, and this lovely photography was a contribution of Giselle.
Can you show us like what you did?
Sure. So, just put together this new nifty gallery capability, and then you have like this zooming kind of function where you can move things around. You can see the detail in the picture. You also have like the description right here, a fabric guide where it tells you basically a little bit more about like the thickness and texture, which is something that you guys ask us about all the time, and materials and care. So just really, really neat kind of stuff.
Okay, Giselle, so please tell me about your contribution to the silks.
Oh my goodness, the silk collection. So, as the creative director, much of what I do is not only product design, but really thinking about kind of like the variety of the fabrics that we're using and really looking at how we can diversify those fabrics and really kind of bring you the best possible qualities for your hijab. What I do is, I'll sit with Mel and we'll kind of discuss what's next, and then we'll go around and look at like different qualities of silks and kind of we're very picky, right? Because we're perfectionists and we really want to bring you the best of what's out there. So we'll go from store to store or from vendor to vendor until we find the ultimate best silk kind of. That's not only has the nicest feel and nicest hand, but it's just best for your hair, your overall health, and just luster is also something that we care about very much. Having something look very luxurious and elevated when it's on you.
Alice, tell me what your role has been with the collection.
So as the marketing manager, I have been organizing a lot of the different pieces to make sure that it all happens at the same time tomorrow. Whether that's our Google ads or our Facebook ads, and also I've been working on a lot of our copy so that we can really get a sense of what we're trying to achieve with these scarves embedded into the words that we use to describe them to all of our customers. You got it.
And in here we have Erin.
Hey!
So Erin, what has your contribution been to the silks?
Basically anything to do with the product, just physically getting it in our warehouse, making sure it's all good to go, getting it packaged beautifully, getting it on the website, writing the product copy, all of that good stuff. Basically, if it's to get the product in your hands, I've helped with it in some way.
As a graphic designer, I do a lot of the last minute photo editing retouches, photo resizing, cropping, and for example, I also do the emails. So we have the emails that go out kind of showing you the teaser, and then this is the email that goes out on the release date.
Hi Brittany. Hello. So tell me what your contribution is with the whole collection.
So as the customer support associate, I'm on the front lines and I deal with all of the customers. So any of the questions that y'all have about the silk collection, I'll be answering. So any problems with orders, questions about material, color, etc., I'm your girl.
So my contribution for the silks, of course, as the CEO, I oversee everything. So everything that you guys just heard that everybody does, Selwa, Erin, Alice, Ahmed, Giselle, also Veronica and Noor, who aren't here, I oversee and I make sure that at every step of the way everything is happening correctly. I overlook everyone's work, so I have to go in and approve all the copy, approve all the photography, approve the direction of the product itself. The product itself, it was really me and Giselle together. In fact, we literally flew to Dubai because we weren't getting the colors that we wanted. We knew the silk we wanted, but the colors were just off. And so we were like, let's just book a flight. I have prints to pick there anyways, so let's just go pick all the colors that we want and really get this done so we can meet our launch date. It's an incredible team effort, and I'm really, really proud of the work that our team has done, the fact that we were on schedule, and how beautiful everything is. I'm really, really, really excited for tomorrow and the launch. Ahmed,
What's up, homie?
are you still doing last minute work for tomorrow's collection?
Kind of, yeah.
What's left?
Just doing a few QAs.
What people don't know what QA means?
Quality assurance. I'm very OCD, so I need to go and double, triple, quadruple check because we always want like the best experience for our people.
So you have to wake up really super early, right?
Yeah, I'll be up at like 5:30
Why?
because I'm helping launch the collection. We want to just be there to make sure that everything's running smoothly and that if there's anything that pops up, we solve right away on the spot. So that's why.
Let's wrap this up. Say bye to everybody because we have to do our nightly goodbye.
Salam alaikum, people. See you tomorrow. We love you.
Bye!